Hello students, welcome back. So these are the five important biological amines whose synthesis is there in the syllabus of first year B Pharm semester 2, okay, under the subject biochemistry. So if you can see here, this is 5-HT, that is the serotonin, then this is melatonin, next here is dopamine, then norepinephrine and epinephrine. Norepinephrine is also called as noradrenaline and epinephrine is also called as adrenaline. Okay, so this nor means what? Absence of methyl group, no methyl. See, you can see here methyl group is here in epinephrine, otherwise both the structures are same. This dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine, on the right hand side whatever structures are there, they all one ring, okay, and they have two hydroxy groups on the adjacent carbons of the ring, okay, two hydroxy groups, okay. This is CH2, this is again CH2 and NH2, which is dopamine, then here CH. Okay, so at this place OH has come, rest of the structure is same as that of dopamine, so here there is additional OH, third OH, okay, third OH is present in norepinephrine, which is noradrenaline, and epinephrine, everything is same, means these two OH groups on the ring are there, on this side chain one more OH is there, and one of the hydrogen of amino group is replaced by methyl group, that is epinephrine. Okay, I hope the structure of dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine is clear. Okay, dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine, they are single ring compounds, only one ring with two hydroxy groups. Okay, so dihydroxylated phenyl ring, and side chain is CH2, CH2, NH2. Here also see CH, CH2, NH2. One of the H is replaced by this third OH. Again CHOH, CH2, NH. Another H of the amino group is replaced by CH3. Okay. On the other hand, we have these two compounds, that is 5-HT and melatonin. You can see here bicyclic fused system, bicyclic, two rings are there, one is 6-membered ring, another is 5-membered ring. Same here also, 6-membered, 5-membered. This is 5-HT, no, 5H means at 5th position there is hydroxy group, 5-hydroxytryptamine it is. Serotonin is what? 5-hydroxytryptamine, right? So at 5th position, this is the 5th carbon as per the numbering system. At 5th carbon there is OH group, okay, and at 3rd position of the ring there is again the same CH2, CH2, NH2. See here also the side chain was CH2, CH2, NH2, right? And here also the side chain is CH2, CH2, NH2, okay. But here two rings are there, one is 6-membered, another is 5-membered. Here only one OH group is attached on the ring. So this is serotonin. Now compare serotonin structure with melatonin now. Bicyclic fused ring system is there. At 5th position, instead of OH, O is there and H is replaced by methyl group. So this makes the methoxy group at the 5th position, okay. At 5th position there is methoxy group, here it was hydroxy group, and you can see the side chain now CH2, CH2, NH2 wala, one of the H is replaced by this acetyl group, okay. COCH3 is now attached on the nitrogen. Here on nitrogen two hydrogens were there, okay. I hope these all structures are now clear. Serotonin, melatonin, they are structurally similar, and here dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine, they are structurally similar, okay. Let us move on to the synthesis. We are learning this particular synthesis of biological amines under the chapter amino acid metabolism. So definitely we have to remember one point over here, that these are synthesized from some amino acid. Now which amino acid, that we have to now see. So before we move, one important point we have to remember about these compounds. These both, that is the serotonin as well as melatonin. Okay, this is serotonin and this is melatonin. They both are neurotransmitters. Brain itself synthesizes serotonin. Okay, so its synthesis is happening inside the brain only. They both are neurotransmitters. Serotonin is stimulator of brain activity and melatonin is involved in circadian rhythms, that is the 24-hour cyclic process of the body. It plays very important role in sleep and wake process. Okay, then on the other hand we have these dihydroxylated compounds. Okay, these are catechols. They are called as catechols, which are dihydroxylated phenyl ring. Okay, dihydroxylated phenyl ring, and they, since it is amine, they are called as catecholamines. So these all the three compounds, that is dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine, they are coming under the category of catecholamines. And tyrosine is the precursor for synthesis of catecholamines. So catecholamines के लिए which amino acid? Tyrosine. Tyrosine is the amino acid from which we will be synthesizing dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine. They regulate carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. These three are the functions. They cause increase in blood pressure, and dopamine and norepinephrine, they also work as neurotransmitters. Okay, they also work as neurotransmitters. So let us now proceed towards the synthesis part. Okay, one by one let us see. First we will talk about serotonin and melatonin synthesis. Okay, serotonin and melatonin synthesis, and this is the amino acid, that is tryptophan. See, serotonin and melatonin structure, if you try to remember, it is bicyclic fused ring. So same way they are synthesized from the amino acid which has bicyclic fused ring, and that is nothing but tryptophan. Very easy to remember. 5-HT is what? 5-hydroxytryptamine. From 5-HT, 5-hydroxytryptamine is nothing but serotonin, and from 5-HT melatonin is synthesized. Okay, so from this T, that is tryptamine, we can remember the amino acid tryptophan. So from this tryptophan amino acid, these compounds will be synthesized. The in between steps we will see now. This is essential amino acid. Tryptophan is essential amino acid. It has indole ring. This is the indole ring. So its name is alpha amino. Alpha matlab which is alpha? I can see here carbonyl group. So the carbon adjacent to the carbonyl group is alpha carbon. This is beta carbon. So alpha amino, at alpha position there is amino group. Beta indole, at beta position this indole ring is present. Propionic acid, propionic, methane, ethane, propane, 3 carbons are there, no? So propionic acid. It is both glucogenic and ketogenic, means this amino acid can get converted into ketone bodies also, and it can get converted into glucose also, and therefore we call it as glucogenic as well as ketogenic. Okay, so what we have remembered so far, that this tryptophan is essential amino acid, and from this we are synthesizing serotonin and melatonin. Okay, so let us see the first step of the synthesis. This is my first arrow, right? Now from tryptophan, 5-hydroxytryptophan will be synthesized first. Okay, tryptophan to 5-hydroxytryptophan, मतलब इसके 5th पोजीशन पे हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप हैज़ टू कम. सो सी आई एम ड्राइंग द स्ट्रक्चर. ये पार्ट हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, दिस कार्बन NH2 एंड COOH, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, एंड देन दिस इज CH2 in between. This is 5-membered ring and this is 6-membered ring. This is tryptophan. Okay, तो याद कैसे रखना है, CH2 C NH2 COH, amino acid. This is amino acid. तो ये कार्बन पे अमाइनो ग्रुप है, एसिडिक ग्रुप है, and rest of the structure is indole ring. Okay, so now I have drawn here the tryptophan at the 5th position. I have to bring this OH. Okay, so this is 5-hydroxytryptophan synthesized from tryptophan. So who has brought this hydroxyl group over here? Some enzyme must have helped, no? So that enzyme which brings hydroxy group in the picture, that enzyme is called as hydroxylase. And this addition of hydroxyl group is made on which compound? Hydroxy group has been added on tryptophan, right? So the full name of this particular enzyme is tryptophan hydroxylase. So hydroxylase ने hydroxy group लाया. तो hydroxy group कहाँ से लाया, मतलब ये ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से लाया? So that has come from oxygen. So oxygen gets converted into water. तो ऑक्सीजन में से एक O वाटर के पास गया और एक O यहाँ पे आ गया. ओके, OH. So this is by this way tryptophan hydroxylase has brought this hydroxy group at the 5th position. Okay, now from this 5-hydroxytryptophan, the next step is formation of serotonin. Okay, serotonin नीचे गया, 1 मिनट. Okay, so from this 5-hydroxytryptophan, 5-hydroxytryptamine is formed, and this 5-hydroxytryptamine is nothing but 5-HT. Simple, no? Tryptophan to 5-hydroxytryptophan and 5-hydroxytryptophan to 5-hydroxytryptamine. So can you see the structural difference here? Can you see this group has gone, COH group has gone, it is not there, right? It is not there, and this has become CH2. ये यहाँ पे CH था ना, that has become CH2. So COOH group has gone, that means carbon dioxide is gone. So carbon dioxide gone. So which enzyme is helping? Decarboxylase. Now which decarboxylase? Aromatic amino acid decarboxylase. Amino acid में से carbon COOH group is going away, right? So its name is aromatic acid decarboxylase. And one important thing you have to remember about this enzyme is it is PLP dependent enzyme. Okay, it is PLP dependent enzyme, very important. Whenever you will write decarboxylase, you have to write this PLP and you have to show this carbon dioxide release here. From this 5-hydroxytryptamine, if you can see here, if you have to make melatonin, this is melatonin, right? So the difference is this acetyl group over here, means you have to bring here acetyl group. So first acetylation will happen. So acetylation के लिए which enzyme will help? It is acetylase, and acetylation is happening on serotonin, right? This is serotonin. So the full name of the enzyme is serotonin acetylase. And from where this acetyl group is coming? It is coming from acetyl coenzyme A. Okay, so how the compound will look like? NH, and this is COCH3. So I can call this particular compound as N-acetyl serotonin. Okay, N pe na, on this N acetyl group has come, so it is N-acetyl serotonin. Okay, on serotonin it has happened. Okay, now from N-acetyl serotonin to melatonin, what is the difference now? You can see here the methyl group. See, here it is OH, here it is methoxy. So for this, who is helping? Methyl transferase. Okay, so this is O methyl, no? So O methyl transferase. Okay, और ये O methyl transferase मतलब O methoxy has come on which compound? It has come on N-acetyl serotonin. Okay, so full name of the enzyme is N-acetyl serotonin O methyl transferase. So this methoxy group or this methyl transfer is happened from adenosyl methionine. So this methyl group has been taken from N-adenosyl methionine. So इसने अपना methyl group दिया, methyl group यहाँ पे दे दिया, तो ये क्या बना? तो ये convert हो गया N-adenosyl homocysteine. Okay, N-adenosyl homocysteine. So this is the synthesis pathway for 5-HT and melatonin, and the magic is the same set of enzymes will be there for the synthesis of dopamine, noradrenaline and adrenaline. So that we will see, and therefore I say that this is very easy to remember. Okay.